Hey guys, and in today's video I'm going to be sort of trying to face one of my biggest fears, and it is arachnophobia. Now, if y'all don't know what arachnophobia means, that basically means having a phobia or fear of spiders. And I've never had like any scary encounter with a spider that traumatized me for life, but like it's just the way that they look. Like, I think like they're aliens, because every other creature on this planet, they have 2 eyes, usually 2 legs, 4 legs. That's like normal. Like, it's not really that strange when people look at them. Like dogs, cats, lions, tigers, bears, leopards, cheetahs. And then like birds, they have 2 eyes, they have 2 legs, and then instead they just have wings for their arms, I guess, technically. But like when you look at a spider, at least what I see, you see all those eyes, which, first of all, anything that has more than 2 eyes, that just reminds me of an alien. Even though supposedly aliens have 2 big eyes, it's just, it just is not what we see as normal. Like, it's not the same. The characteristics are just vastly different. Yeah, the characteristics are vastly different from, you know, what you would see the usual, which is 2 eyes that are small, not huge. And spiders, they have eyes, but they have literally like 8 eyes. And that in itself is creepy. It's just very weird to me. And they don't have teeth, they don't have sharp teeth, which is what most cats and dogs have. They have teeth, but they have sharp teeth. But no, spiders, they have their little fangs. And anything that has like more than like anything that has extra things on their face, it just creeps me out. Because you don't think of it as being there, you think of it as just something that's different, and it doesn't go with, the regular human or animal anatomy. So, for starters, you have the eyes, and then you have the fangs, and then you have the legs, which is, you have more than 2, so there's 8 in total, and it's just proportionalized, everything is just off and doesn't make sense. And like, I literally cannot stand to be near a big spider now. If I see a little spider out like in the house, like kind of in a corner, it doesn't scare me because it's little and it can't really hurt me. Even if it did jump on me, I can just swat it away. Now, anything that's like bigger than a black widow, or about the size of a black widow, so basically any spiders that I can make out, like the whole anatomy of a spider, I will literally freeze in my steps. I have literally stopped in my steps. So the way that I'm going to be kind of facing my fear is I'm going to be going to Home Depot, because that's the only place that I saw online that has a realistic spider. And that's pretty much close to a real spider as I can get without actually going near a real one. Because if I go near a real one, there's a very high chance I would get scared and then end up spooking it, and then it's come after me because it's scared. Yeah, it's a big disaster waiting to happen, I think. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot, and hopefully I do find the spider, and we'll see if I can actually get close to it. Now, I do want to put in another kind of little note. So, like the spiders that Dollar Tree has and like Walmart, like the little fuzzy ones that just have the 2 eyes, like those don't scare me because, it's obviously fake, it's meant to be cutesy. But anything that looks like a real spider, and I'll show you the photos right now of the ones that look more real, like those. Like, say I was just walking down the street and it was late at night and I wasn't really paying attention to my surroundings, and then I just decided or I just accidentally walked by it, I would literally jump. Like, I would literally jump, and then I'd have to be like, okay, it's not chasing me, is it big or not? But anyways, we're gonna go to Home Depot. Wish me luck. Hey guys, so I pretty much tried to go to Home Depot and actually find like the animatronic spider like I had planned for this video, but could not find it there. I couldn't find any animatronic spiders at Target either, and I couldn't find just really that much decorations for Halloween in the stores around me. And if they did have decorations, it just like wasn't anything big. So I thought the next best thing is to react to like pics, pretty much like what I've seen with several other people do, but kind of like with something different. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so this okay, I can't even look at this. That's how bad it is, guys. So this first one, it basically, so it looks like there's a spider on top of a human body. So if that's not creepy enough, like it looks like the spider has already ate the head, and it's just the way it looks already like a zombie. And oh god, it just creeps me out so much. Like I can't even look at it. I'm trying so hard not to have nightmares. Now, I'm gonna try to look at all the other photos, but this one is really testing my fears right now. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next one. If I can actually remember how to do this. Alright, moving on to the next one. Oh god, excellent. Okay, so this one. Alright, this one is a little less creepy in my opinion. Like, yes, it looks like a real spider. It has the fur, the hair, the eyes, but there's not really that many eyes. And it, like, just looks sort of like the furry ones you see at, like, Target and Walmart, so it doesn't scare me as much, but the other one. Like, you saw how I react. I couldn't look at it. I literally could not, so comment down below if you actually were able to look at it, unlike how I was. Alright. So the next one is, I think this is, okay. This one is also kind of creepy, or it's like up there with that first one, and this kind of reminds me of the little spider kind of toy that Andy made in Toy Story. And if you guys have watched Story, you know what I'm talking about. It doesn't help that the doll, at least the head part of the doll, looks possessed, and of course the body, the legs, you can tell it's fake because it looks really nothing. Not detail by detail exact, but just the fact that the doll head on top of a spider body makes it creepy in itself. And the red eyes do not help. Okay, that one is not as bad. Right, so tell me down in the comments below if you're getting creeped out already or not, because I sort of creeped out. I sort of am already creeped out. Alright, so the next photo. Now this one. So it's funny because I actually did. No, that's at the warehouse. It looks like it's at the warehouse or something from one of the big companies. But anyways, so see, it's weird because so you can tell like this one's made out of a hard material. So there's no like really like there's no fur. There's nothing in my opinion to make it like stand out and make it think, okay, this is a real spider. Like it just looks very statue-like. So like I would be able to like get closer to this one and maybe not feel like I want to run away, but like say I was just walking around in the dark, that would definitely creep me out if I wasn't paying attention. But yeah, just trying to imagine like those like spiders being that big. Oh no, I would die of a heart attack right there and then. I would die, and then hopefully just pass out for a very long time and just not feel anything. if worse came to worse. Alright, the next photo. I don't remember what the next photo is. Okay, this one, honestly, in my opinion, is more creepy than the last one we just saw. And this one is because, to me, it looks like, you know, it looks like it would be like an actual spider, because it has like the background with the cloth, and the spider itself looks like old and decay. Like, it doesn't look like a statue. Like, it looks like it actually has, like it actually is alive. And I can't really tell, like, I guess the head of the spider, so that makes it not as terrifying. Yeah. But if I could actually see it close up, who knows, it might just terrify me even more. Now the next one, or almost through these. Tell me down below in the comments how you're doing so far. Now this one, I feel like it's kind of a mix between the last one, which I'm gonna call like the mummy spider, because it just reminds me of like how a spider would look like if it was like a mummy. And then a combination of one before that looked pretty much like a statue to me. So like this one, it looks like, I can't tell if it actually has like kind of a firm material, or if it's just like painted on there, because I know sometimes how people paint like fur on top of things, it actually looks pretty real. Hold on, guys. Sorry about the little intermission, guys. But anyways, like I was saying. So like, I wish I could actually see in person if it's actually painted on the fur, or if it's actually like big fur. But anyways, if I saw this in person, I probably would not want to go up to it. Just because it looks a little bit more real than the last one. But I'll take a picture of it, but I'm not gonna get too close to it. Just trying to take my fear and actually face it one day at a time. And this is the first step. So that was my attempt at trying to face my fear. Comment down below if, oh sorry guys. No. Comment down below if you have like a fear of spiders, because I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. I want to say it's probably like it's like up there in like most common fears. And let me know down below in the comments what other things you want me to kind of face my fears with. If there's any other scary TikToks, YouTube videos that you've seen that you want me to react to, just send them down in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. I would really love it if you guys subscribe, because I'm trying to get at least 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I know we can do it, and I'll see you all in the next video.